Okay, so Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Krishna. What is the healing thing or something that you have to listen and before you go to the bed? What is the healing thing? Whatever work you're doing, it will have immense value. But first of all, you have to leave the selfishness to make other people feel proud about it. No, nobody's gonna feel proud about it because everybody is jealous around you. So now forget about this thing, and once you forget about this whole thing, you will be doing your work like a rocket. You will be flying like a rocket. So forget about pleasing people by this. Do it because you feel like it is the best thing that you should do right now. And once you start doing it that way, you will see everything around you will be completely beautiful. Everything around you will be completely beautiful. Whatever third party, whatever third people are going to leave certain things, and they're leaving the space because they feel like you are the right fit for this space, or you are the right fit for this person, because we are not that kind of a person, or we just can't stay in that situation for too long. We could not like, if it would have a sustain, or like if I was the person that you are, I would not sustain that kind of a battle. So you have to prove this thing, actually, because people did everything possible to break you, and now you're still not breaking, still not broken, and you're still the same person. So you have to leave this pride forever. Once you leave this one pride, you will be free from this forever. And the next thing that you have to free from is like you have given a word to somebody or given a word to someone, and you will not be able to fulfill it. You will be able to fulfill it, and you will see within some days you will be able to see the magic which can happen, because you are trusting the goddess, you are trusting the divine, you are trusting God. How you can elevate yourself by like, what is the, if you feel like there is a disconnection between you and the goddess, now she is telling you there is one way to worship me, by energetic content, like energetic contact, by direct making the energetic bond. But the second way to deal with, or second way to connect with the goddess, is of devotion, is love. So if you are connecting with the goddess out of love, that is the most beautiful form of the connection. And she's telling, I want only that. I can't say to you to go and have an energetic bond and do something about it. If you're calling me, I will be there. But if you feel